Good morning. So today is the special day for me. This is very nice unit that was sitting in my closet for about like three to 4 months, and while I was waiting all the necessary parts for repairing it and also upgrading. What do we have? We have issue that the heads and pinch rollers are always on top. So as I know, this issue always is due to those belts. They are gone basically, and we'll have to just repair them. So very nice unit, very good condition, very nice wood panels. On top we have some scratches, but nothing major, and very nice side panels actually. So maybe let's check. Let's turn on. And one more thing. This cassette deck has actual balls. We have 2 balls right here. Okay, so enough for jokes. Yeah, and I can hear that something spinned and nothing happens. No reaction to any buttons. Absolutely no. Yeah, and when you turn on, yeah, so we will have to repair it basically, and as you can see the screen is fine. So I'm gonna pop out at the top and we will see how to remove that mechanism. So till then, okay, so I have removed the hood, and what we can see, let me grab something to show you. First of all, maybe from the other side, yeah, you can see. Ooh, yuck. You can see it, yeah, so the belt is turned into the goo, and also right over here, and another belt inside, as I can see, is also just gone basically. Yeah, yes, it is gone. So let's remove tape transport and we will see what we have to deal with actually. Yeah, so till then. Okay, so I have removed tape transport. That was quite a easy actually job, but as always you will have to unsolder those playback head wires, then unplug some connectors, yeah, and we now see clearly that belts are fully disintegrated. Let's try if we will be able, oh yes, to remove some. Jesus, this job will be very nasty. Okay, so I think let's maybe start a bit, and we'll continue to do this tomorrow because it's already early evening. So right now I'm just trying to remove as much of that goo actually as I can. so that we will have to clean less when fully disassembled. Tape transport will be here. All the belts are turned into mush. So just to remove the door, we will have to unscrew those two screws. Then this will lift out a bit. Then all the door carriage will shift a bit aside, and we have also right here two screws, one like over here and one over here. Okay, almost flew somewhere else into the 9th dimension. Oh, whoa. This belt contaminated this brake, and so on and so forth. Oh well, I think that's it for now. I'll be back to finish this a bit later. Head, from what I can see, no, it's not super worn or whatever, just it's seen some tapes in the past. Okay, so I'll be back a bit later. Okay, so maybe at first let's remove that part. Okay, so right here everything moves very freely, and I have not seen in my life those these kind of mechanisms to freeze or whatever, like Sony's do or Akai's. Actually, it is super clean inside. Super clean. Beautiful. Let's just oil that back bearing a bit. Oh my god. Total mess. Okay, let me fix all of that mess and then I'll be back because it takes lots of time. Okay, so there are some updates. So I have cleaned all that mess everywhere and changed also idler tire because it was too small. You know, that is original. It still looks like good shape, but I decided to change one from Fix Your Audio. So right now I'm just gonna do the same procedure for changing idler tire for this idler. To change it, I'll have to remove this bracket basically, and then remove that C-clip, and that's it. It will pop out. Okay, so I'll do this and I'll be back after that. Okay, so it's much more convenient to just unscrew that part from main transport. Okay, so both idlers are changed to new ones. So right now let's proceed with putting everything back together. Regarding capstans, not capstans but pinch rollers, they are quite in not bad condition, so I think I will not change them right now. I will first of all check them and then we will see if it is needed to change. This one is so stupid, over-engineered, over by lots. Okay, so I think most of the parts are finished, except we'll have to fully assemble tape transport. Right now, let's align that supply pinch roller tape guide. Okay. And this one seems also almost perfect. So that's it. I'm gonna just assemble it fully and put into the device, and we will see. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put it back to the chassis. So till then. Okay, so lots of hours in this device I have put in, and what can I say, with original motor. I have serviced it. It is somewhere right over here. Yeah. With this motor, I'm having like not yeah, with this motor I'm having like above 0.06, I would say. With stupid Mabuchi. This one is from China, so it's not original Mabuchi motor, and I have disassembled one. And right here we have I don't know if we can see, but we have this speed controller, so it's AN6651X. I think that this is also fake, made by some kind of cheap Chinese manufacturer, and it is drifting in speed quite a bit. With this, but with this motor, I'm having like about not 0.05 RMS wow and flutter. So wow and flutter is very good, but regarding the speed, I'm now playing about I would say 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe, and from 3149 I would say it went down to this. So it went down about 0.8% in speed. And this happens with that Mabuchi motor. With original motor, it is not drifting very much in speed. It is drifting about I would say at maximum I would say 14 hertz it drifted, but with this Mabuchi motor we have very good, not very good, but good wow and flutter with my test tape. That's not perfect actually, but we have good wow and flutter, and we are seeing that drop in speed. Don't panic about that jumping, because this tape is a bit damaged. So this is what I have right now, and actually I'm still in research, and I have ordered one motor that is also made by Panasonic or Matsushita, and we will test that motor. That was freaking expensive. I have not gone with that Pacific Stereo or whatever tape-ended motor, because it is too expensive in my opinion. Okay, so that's it for right now, and I will update you when I have something new to say. So this is it, until then.